Hyundai is ready to shock everybody. Yes, you heard it right. Hyundai is choosing the path of Tesla in electric car production. The company is ready to take a big leap in the EV industry. What do you know about this? Come, let's find it out. Hyundai is a big company that makes cars. They are ready to bring innovation in making their EVs. Tesla is another company that makes cars, but they only make EVs. Tesla is very good at making EVs, and they have a lot of fans around the world. Tesla also has a special way of making EVs, which is different from how other companies make cars. Tesla uses a big machine called a gigapress to make the main part of the car, which is called the frame. The frame is like the skeleton of the car, and it supports all the other parts, like the wheels, the doors, the seats, and the battery. In short, the gigapress works by melting a metal called aluminum and pouring it into a mold. A mold is like a cookie cutter that gives shape to something. The gigapress can make one frame in a few minutes, which is very fast and efficient. Hyundai wants to make more EVs and sell them to more people. Hyundai also wants to save money and time when making EVs. Hyundai thinks that Tesla's way of making EVs is very smart and effective. Hyundai wants to copy Tesla's way of making EVs and use it for their cars. Hyundai is working on making its version of the gigapress, which they call hypercasting. Hyundai hopes to start using hypercasting next year, in 2024. Hyundai thinks that hypercasting will help them make better EVs and compete with Tesla. Hyundai also thinks that hypercasting will help them protect the environment and reduce pollution. Hyundai wants to be one of the top 3 companies in the world that make EVs by 2030. Hyundai is not the only car company that wants to make EVs like Tesla. Some other car companies like Toyota, Volkswagen, and Volvo also want to do the same thing. One car company from China called Geely has already started doing it for their Zeekr cars. Hyundai also wants to have more places where people can charge their EVs quickly in South Korea. Tesla has many places like that, called superchargers. Hyundai has made some good EVs like the Ioniq 5, Ioniq 6, and Kona Electric. But Hyundai wants to make even better EVs and sell more of them than Tesla and BYD, which are 2 other car companies that make a lot of EVs. Hyundai thinks that changing how they make EVs will help them do that. Hyundai wants to be better than other car companies that are also making EVs. Hyundai has a goal to be one of the best 3 car companies in the world to make EVs by 2030. By that time, Hyundai will have 31 different kinds of EVs for people to choose from. These EVs will belong to Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis, which are all part of Hyundai. Hyundai has some EV cars which have become very popular all over the world. Hyundai Ioniq 5 is a new electric SUV from Hyundai. It won 3 awards at the 2022 World Car Awards for being the best car, the best electric vehicle, and the best car design. The car has a long range of 393 miles per full charge, which means you can drive for a long time without worrying about running out of power. It also has a fast charging feature that can charge the battery from 10% to 80% in 18 minutes. It has a spacious interior with flexible seats and a moving console. Hyundai Kona Electric is another electric SUV from Hyundai. It has a range of 452 kilometers per full charge, which is also very impressive. It has a low running cost, which means you can save money on fuel and maintenance. It has a powerful performance with an acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 9.3 seconds. It also has a sport mode for a thrilling driving experience. The vehicle also has an electric parking brake, which is a system that automatically applies or releases the brake when you start or stop the car. It also has a digital instrument cluster with supervision. It also has a tire pressure monitoring system, which is a system that alerts you if the tire pressure is too low or too high. The car is also fitted with paddle shift, which is a system that lets you control the regenerative braking, which is a feature that recovers energy from braking and uses it to charge the battery. Hyundai has many factories in different countries, but some of them are special because they only make electric cars and batteries. Hyundai has 12 factories in 10 countries, but only one of them is dedicated to making electric cars. This factory is in Ulsan, South Korea, and it is the biggest car factory in the world. It has 5 plants that can make 1.4 million cars every year. Hyundai is building another factory for electric cars in Georgia, USA. This will be Hyundai's first electric car factory in the USA, and it will cost $5.5 billion to build. It will start making cars in 2025, and it will be able to make 300,000 cars every year. Their new production facilities will be focused on electric vehicles and hydrogen-powered cars. e-gmp is a company that makes machines that can make car parts from metal. e-gmp started in Italy in 1946 and now sells its machines to many countries. e-gmp Gigapress is a very big machine that makes car parts from metal. Tesla and Hyundai are two car companies that use these machines to make electric cars. Tesla was the first car company to use e-gmp Gigapress. Tesla wanted to make car parts in one piece instead of many pieces, because this would save time and money and make the cars lighter and stronger. e-gmp agreed to make a machine that could do this and called it Gigapress because it was very big and powerful. Tesla started using Gigapress in 2020 at its factory in California, USA. Then, it also used Gigapress at its factories in China and Germany. Tesla uses Gigapress to make the Model Y, which is an electric SUV, and the Cybertruck, which is an electric truck. The Cybertruck needs a bigger Gigapress than the Model Y, so e-gmp made a 9,000-ton Gigapress for it. Hyundai is another customer of e-gmp Gigapress. Hyundai also wanted to make electric cars faster and cheaper, so it decided to copy Tesla's idea of using Gigapress. Hyundai is making its machine with e-gmp help and called it hypercasting because it sounds cool and futuristic. Hyundai plans to use hypercasting in 2026 at its factory in Georgia, USA. This will be Hyundai's first factory for electric cars in the USA, and it will cost $5.5 billion to build. Hyundai will also make batteries for the electric cars at this factory with another company's help. Tesla's mega cars are very big and powerful cars that use electricity instead of gas or oil. Tesla is a company that makes these cars and other things like batteries and solar panels. Tesla's mega cars have some special features that make them different from other cars. Tesla's mega cars are made with very big machines that can make car parts from metal in one piece. These machines are called Gigapress or Mega Factory, and they are the biggest and strongest machines in the world for making cars. They can make car parts faster and cheaper than other machines, and they can also make the cars lighter and stronger. Tesla's mega cars have very big batteries that can store a lot of electricity. These batteries are called Megapacks, and they are made at a special factory called Mega Factory. Tesla uses these batteries to power its mega cars and also to store electricity from renewable sources like solar or wind power. Tesla's mega cars have very big chargers that can charge the batteries very fast. These chargers are called mega chargers, and they are made for Tesla's electric trucks called Semi. The mega chargers can charge the Semi's battery from 10% to 80% in 30 minutes, which means the truck can drive for a long time without stopping. They are made with new technologies that change the way cars are made and used in the world. They are good for the environment and the future of cars. As Hyundai is all set to use the Gigapress, the company is 100% looking for electrification. Surely the speed of production of EVs from Hyundai will increase. What do you think? Comment your thoughts on this, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.